Okay, for my next frequent asked question, I have how do I submit an assignment on Canvas? So I'm going to take the example of this one, but for that, I'm going to go to the student view so you can see the same. You can see on the video the same that you can see on your screen. So I'll go to the student view. You don't have to go to the student view because you are already in student view because you are a student. Okay, so I click on this one, and right here there is the submit assignment. So let's say I'm going to submit my presentation. So I copy the URL right here, right click, copy, or you can use Control C and that copies that URL. You select this like that is in blue. Then you go to the assignment, click submit assignment, and paste it whatever they give you the choice to paste it. So let's say it's right here, and then you click submit, and I will receive it. So that's the way you submit. Sometimes the box is going to be smaller like this, so it's just paste the URL there, and that's it. That's all you have to do to submit an assignment on Canvas. That's all for now.